education and training. This is a huge field with tremendous scope of AL. 21st century classrooms are supported by AL predicting performance, designing curriculum, smart assessments, helping teachers in correction of assignments, and identifying students who need more help, technology-based classes, remote teaching learning, educational research, working out assignments, developing projects, automated training systems, immersive training, virtual reality-based training, 3D learning environments, robot-assisted teaching and training, co-curricular activities such as excursions, designing master training programs for trainers are a few of the applications in this field. Machine learning is used to create smart education systems which deliver adaptive content that adapts according to the capacity of the learner, educational content to the learners after analyzing their response and performance. AI-based education tools. CRAM IOI of Content Technologies Incorporation applies data analytics to create smaller pieces of learning guides from a vast ocean of textbook content. These guides contain summaries, exercises, and practice tests, etc., making it easier for students to follow. Math IAU by Carnegie Learning uses AI to provide personalized learning in mathematics, which adapts to students' learning needs. It also provides a visualization of progress, easy feedback to help the student improve on learning style. University of South California uses AI to create smart virtual environments that generate 3D images and animations for better learning. AI-enabled systems in the form of robots and interactive computers help teachers by assisting in classroom teaching and delivering lectures. NLP capability is harnessed in making voice-driven, intelligent, responsive learning systems. Voice-operated question-answer-based systems are also the outcome of NLP in education. Integration of AI with other technologies such as cloud can make smart education reach in remote areas. Key applications of AI in education are smart content generation, customized learning, adaptive learning, data visualization of performance and feedback, education consulting and counseling, immersive learning environment, smart teaching. Customer support systems. Various businesses, schools, banks, and public services, etc. deploy customer support systems in the form of people, computers, equipment, and response systems. AI revolutionizes the customer support and response systems using natural language processing and smart search capabilities in following ways. Chatbots. AI-enabled chat systems are called chatbots because it is hard to tell if it is a machine or human being on the other side. AI chatbots are smarter than traditional chat engines in that they respond with much helpful information quickly as compared to humans. Equipped with voice recognition system, chatbots can understand natural human language, which makes them easier to use. This saves a lot of users' time and effort in finding useful information. Speech recognition is concerned with understanding what is spoken, while voice recognition is concerned with who is speaking. For voice recognition, a machine needs to be trained to identify which person in particular is speaking. AI-enabled support systems. Any support system like customer response systems, service support systems, and most interactive voice response systems, IVRs, use speech recognition as part of natural language processing, NLP feature of AI. They can understand and interpret what is spoken by the user and figure out what query has been asked or what assistance has been sought. This speech is processed to identify keywords in the input voice. AI system is already trained with millions of human conversation data. It takes a text generated out of user's voice and figures out what request has been made. Is it order status check, or is it order cancellation request, or some sort of feedback or complaint, or any change requested in the current order, etc. In response, the data extracted from the service provider's database is used to synthesize the answer in the form of text and speech, which is sent back to the user. Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa are popular examples. They use NLP to understand spoken language and answer structured questions. They understand customer intent faster and accurately, then respond in a better way. Multilingual systems are useful in answering to the user in his or her native language. Public addressing and alert systems. Such AI-enabled systems are useful in home and industrial security, like identifying an unauthorized face in any area and raising an alert. Publicly addressing and guiding people in case of emergency such as fire breakout or earthquake. Key applications of AI in customer support are better customer experience, improved public relation, useful for physically challenged, multi-language interpretation, faster and accurate guidance. E-commerce and retail businesses. E-commerce industry is extremely vast today. It records billions of transactions and user activities daily. With every passing moment, bulk amount of data is generated which can only be handled by AI-enabled systems for various purposes. Amazon, Walmart, Flipkart, Alibaba and all popular online e-commerce platforms have already been using and have invested heavily in AI to get their businesses to new heights and to enhance customer experience. Some of the key operations in which AI is used in e-commerce are digital marketing, customer relation, product delivery, service tracking, and product cataloging, financials, logistics, and human resource and advertisements, new product design. Since AI depends on huge amount of data to learn and perform the data generated from users' clicks on the items, the details of items purchased, location of the user, and several such variables are taken in by AI system to provide better shopping experience to the user, such as quick and easy access to items of interest, suggesting related popular items, comparing selected item with other similar items, etc. As user browses e-commerce website, this dynamic experience is provided to the user intelligently by AI system. AI IVR. Amazon Polly, an AI IVR with Indian voices Aditi and Ravina. PolicyBazaar.com has implemented this interactive voice response system to process customer calls that convert text into human speech, natural and friendly. Redbus uses AI to showcase customer reviews in a much effective way. Haptic, personal organizer and reminder app uses AI for accurate operations. Social media platforms, news and entertainment. After e-commerce, this is another large area where generation of data has no limits. Today, online social interactions, news search and entertainment through music, movies, games and stories are merged into an abstract form online. Several billion bytes of data travels online every second. Online platforms use this ocean of data for various purposes. Majority of them is to promote their services and products and to enrich user experience with innovative and quality offerings. Entertainment, gaming and media industry thrive on subscription and viewership. Increasing viewer base is their growth indicator. Machine learning can help in advanced analytics of viewership data and market trends. AI can help in improving and developing content in multiple languages easily. Content presentation, special viewer experience, better audio-video technology can be helped greatly by AI. AI-based analysis of customer preferences and choice of entertainment sources can help customize offerings for the customers. Some of the major applications could be movie production, screenwriting, storyboarding, scheduling, budgeting, etc. Automatic multilingual subtitles, editing and recording, marketing and promotion, targeted advertisement insertions, content, news compilation and organization, user experience, games, movies and music. Facebook, Instagram and many news websites use AI, make their platforms more intelligent in response, maintain user privacy, prevent security lapse, and to analyze trends that help them come up with new ideas to enhance and grow their business. AI in social media. Woo, Relations app uses AI to curate profiles and photographs in seconds as compared to half a day otherwise. Facebook uses machine learning to enable us to get timely help to people in need. Social media. Social platforms do not own or rarely create their own content. All we see on social media is the content created by other people like us or the companies promoting their offerings. It becomes the responsibility of the social media platform to ensure that no offensive content is uploaded from any source. For instance, abusive language, racial comments, violent pics and videos, cyberbullying, etc. To monitor, prevent and check this is a Herculean task, as every moment billions of posts, comments, pictures, videos and other stuff is uploaded and shared. This is where artificial intelligence comes in use. AI's deep learning algorithms on Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram and other social platforms monitor and check such content amazingly fast and efficiently. In the process, the algorithms enhance their learning and increase their efficiency in fighting this menace. You must have heard many times people getting warnings for their content or having their accounts blocked by the website admin. Following are the other ways in which AI algorithms help improve social media platforms in different ways. 1. Learning user preferences and recommending friends, groups, tweets, etc. 2. Learning user browsing behavior and recommending events, products and services. 3. Delete offensive material and counter cyberbullying. 4. Enhancing overall user experience to maintain good customer relations. 5. Tailoring the feed of timelines and notifications according to the user's past interests. 6. Making job matches and network prospective candidate with the potential employer on professional networking platform such as LinkedIn. 7. Identifying different objects in the images and search them online. Every minute, averagely 3 lakhs status updates are created on Facebook by more than 2 billion people updating their statuses 293,000 times per minute. Email. Popular email websites such as Google, Microsoft, etc. use AI in following ways. 1. To segregate, sort and organize our email messages into various categories and folders. These algorithms prevent a lot of spams from entering your inbox and other frequent mail folders. 2. Smart email drafting. In Gmail, the AI algorithm learns from the mails drafted by the user earlier and suggests smart insertions and edits while drafting a new mail. This enriches the user experience of composing a mail. 3. Similarly, AI algorithms suggest smart replies depending on the content of the mail received. For example, thank you, I am interested, etc. 4. Colorful follow-up reminders called nudge appear in older mails, nudging you what to do with that email. For example, they prompt you to reply an old unread mail. Chatbots and Assistants. Chatbots, intelligent chat engines and assistants such as Google Assistant, Apple Siri, Amazon Alexa and Microsoft Cortana use natural language processing algorithms mostly to learn language phrases, keywords and sentence formation to understand quickly and accurately what user means. They learn from the interactions and respond in a better way with customized responses depending on the users and devices. This way, chatbots and assistants simulate a conversation with a real person. AI algorithms also use computer vision technique to perform image-based search, scanning barcodes and QR codes and finding people depending on face recognition. These assistants integrate AI-powered search for predictive and smart searches. The idea of a smart city. The term smart refers to quick-witted intelligence. So a smart device has intelligence that makes it capable to take input in smart ways such as understanding spoken words, scanning images, faces, gestures and fingerprints, perceiving surroundings, temperature, distance, location, etc. Process input in an innovative way to retain the result as learning and using it for future processing. Responding or giving output and predictions in the form which is closer to human nature such as spoken human language. Relevant recommendations, visual feedback or guidance, alerts and reminders, etc. Predictions are also used for self-learning by the AI algorithm. What is a smart city? A city that uses information technology and other technological advancements to enhance quality of public services, adequate management of resources to provide real value for life to live in is termed smart city. In essence, a smart city should provide conditions conducive to live in, clean, healthy environment, quick access to services and work, clean, non-stop energy and better connectivity without running the risks for future generations. Sustainable. Think of a whole city which is equipped with variety of such smart devices and installations. A city with efficient systems and clean air with intelligent surroundings. Wouldn't you love to live in such a city? The Internet of Things, IoT. Before exploring about smart devices, appliances and equipment, together called gadgets, let us understand what does the term Internet of Things, IoT mean. Consider the following scenarios. As you get up in the morning, switch off the alarm clock which sends a signal to the geyser and it turns on heating. As your school bus enters the school gate, the gate sensors detect the chip in the ID cards of all the 55 students in the bus and sends a confirmation message to all parents and school's attendance system. The face reader fitted in the bus tells the gate scanner that count of students is one less than the count of ID cards. AI system in the gate scanner quickly scans all the faces in the face reader of the bus and compares them with the bus database. The absent student is spotted and alert is sent to the parents. Your school canteen checks day's menu and lists food items on your tab. You confirm your order and get it fresh during recess. You push your answer sheets in the digital answer sheet collector and within seconds the digital AI-equipped examiner connected with it detects your handwriting, checks your answers and flashes the score on your tab. As you start back from home, from your tab, you send a signal to the oven at home to keep the noodles hot as you arrive. Your refrigerator senses the milk going out of stock and signals the online store the required quantity of fresh milk. You control devices at your home through a mobile app. Did you notice something common in all these scenarios? Yes, devices. Alarm clock and geyser, school gate sensor and face reader, answer sheet collector and answer sheet examiner, school canteen menu system and your tablet, oven and refrigerator are talking to each other. How? Through embedded sensors and chip controllers. What is the medium of this entire communication? Cloud or internet? All these things are communicating through control chips with each other over internet. Welcome to the Internet of Things. The Internet of Things, IoT, is the concept of networking devices which communicate over internet to share data and signals in order to execute the required tasks accomplished. Imagine the possibilities. The platform of the IoT provides an environment where sensors embedded in the devices communicate with each other. Each device is either programmed or, in future, AI-enabled to decide what to do with the data and how to use data to train itself with the help of machine and deep learning for executing the same task in a better way in future. What is a smart home? A home that is equipped with appliances and gadgets that run on smart applications or AI-enabled applications and technologies like IoT to provide a sustainable, not harmful to environment and society, healthy and safe stay is called smart home. Characteristics of a smart home. After watching the videos, you must be clear what a future smart home really is. What are the major aspects that need consideration to make a home smart? Let us see. Kitchen. Smart oven operable through alerts from other devices like smartphone, coffee maker that lets you know when coffee beans run out of stock, refrigerator that suggests grocery list depending on the items consumed. Living room. Digital photo frame synced with your Instagram and Facebook account. Smart TV that lists top 3 movies being watched in your friends group and prompts you to watch them with your friends in real time. A snacks trolley that knows its way around the house. Washroom. Geyser that switches itself on when morning alarm goes off. Smart water flow control system as you take bath or shave. A mirror that shows notifications or displays TV feed in its corner. Bedroom. App-operated light, air conditioner that senses when you are asleep and adjusts temperature. Alarm clock that also displays number of overnight notifications that came in on your smartphone and that talks to the geyser, your car and other appliances. Car. Knows when its documents need renewal, when it needs next servicing, and car wash, knows your regular routes and locates the best and fastest route. Senses threats around while driving. Security. Smart burglar sensors, doorbell that recognizes your closer ones, lock that opens with voice command and that can talk to your phone, fire alarms and sensors which share data with each other. In addition to this, there are several other possibilities such as smart lighting system, heating system, air quality system, cleaning and dusting bots, bots that help in small house chores, smart accessories, apparels and footwear. How does a smart home function? Generally, the distance among the devices at a home would be a few meters, so Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are most suitable technologies. Appliances are connected with a central controller called Smart Home Hub, such as SmartThings and Wink by Samsung. Through this hub, all the devices communicate using Z-Wave protocol. Devices communication is controlled by the hub. The smart appliances either work on a schedule called alarms or they work in response to a trigger. For example, geyser turns on when alarm goes off is alarm-based action, while your car auto starts sensing your mobile phone in your hands as you approach it is a triggered event. AI-powered smart home. The core of AI is machine learning and deep learning that make an AI-based system able to process immense data quickly and learn from it to do accurate predictions and derive future trends and patterns. Imagine a device capable of learning from data collected. Natural language processing and computer vision are two techniques that would turn devices into magic. You speak a few words and lights are switched off or on. You show the image of the book in the newspaper to the camera and book is ordered on Amazon. Alexa confirms your order instantly. Several chores are done just by speaking a few keywords. As you get ready, the cab is being called for airport drop. You schedule your smart cleaner when to clean next, and over the time it learns when to clean the house. At the heart of entire AI-based smartness is the learning algorithms which make the devices even smarter as you use them. This is different from concurrent IoT devices. Once AI is integrated, the functionality of these devices evolves and improves in more useful way. These devices, after getting trained, can perform routine tasks on their own, such as preparing grocery list, schedule money transfers and payments, automatically replying to routine messages, managing your appointments on priority basis, identifying stocks to invest and suggest how much to invest, predicting potential threats such as accidents, breakdowns, theft, etc. Information and documents update such as vehicle registration, expiry of food items and medicines, upcoming payments and bills, etc. Function as your personal health trainer, which tracks your food habits, hygiene, personal habits, and suggests precautions to take. Analyze your study and assessment data and suggest study schedule and guidelines. Comfort you with soothing music depending on the stress you face. In a nutshell, being surrounded with intelligent, trainable, and predicting appliances makes an AI-powered smart home. An AI-powered smart home learns to know you better as the time passes and optimizes itself to offer better service responses as compared to earlier ones. It may even tell you to upgrade itself and may possibly be able to update itself online with the latest algorithms available on cloud.